YouTube videos are meant for you to watch and leave your comments. Stop calling me because you know my number. And once you see the title, you jump on it, you call me without watching videos, and you want to know what Kartia was talking about on the video. Please, Nigerians, please, people, YouTube is there for you to watch. This is why it is called vital information. Google, stop calling me for clarifications. First of all, go ahead, watch the video, leave your thoughts and your comments down below. There might be some people who are versed in knowledge, like no more than the things or the topic that I've talked about. You will get insights and more information from other people. Why is it that it's so hard for us to watch videos? People just see the title, they click on it, they maybe watch 1 second of the video, they log off YouTube, and here they go. My WhatsApp is ringing, my phone is ringing. Oh, Kata, I just saw your video. Can you tell me what that video is all about? Excuse you for crying out loud. Just in case you don't know, when people watch videos, the YouTubers, the content creators make views, get views, and they get paid from that. Stop calling me just because you know me on one-to-one or because you know my number. Go over there, watch video, leave your thoughts and your comments. When content creators says, please leave me your thoughts and your comments, you don't think that they're serious in what they're talking about. You just want to prove to me that you know me. So it is not really necessary for you to be calling. Whether you're calling Velino or you're calling my friends that you know, maybe you saw them on the video, you call them, you want to know, oh, what is that all about? Watch the video. Watch the video, guys. Watch the video. Am I speaking Alakoba? Watch the videos. I still love you. Consider subscribing and sharing this video so that other people will also understand the importance of watching videos and leaving comments. From your comments, we get to know what the next video will be all about.